Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little discussion on how Microsoft is so secretive with Windows to a point where it doesn't make sense, and it's kind of a weird thing. I mean, we're not in times of Windows 95, huge competition, and they were thinking that Mac was a big competition and so on. There's really no competition right now. Windows isn't competing with Mac OS or anything else or Linux. It's its own thing, and one of the things that made me realize how I think the way they do it is wrong is how Microsoft Edge team this week released the timeline and information about what they plan to do in the next year with Microsoft Edge. Things they want to add, features they're going to tweak, and things are going to make better, and when versions are going to be released, what dates, and so on. It's super open. They are actually telling us everything, which is refreshing because it's kind of cool to know that, okay, these are the dates, these are the features, and wow, nice. Thanks for being open, and thanks for letting us know in advance. Why doesn't the Windows team do the same thing? That is an interesting one, because obviously the only reasons we know that there are some changes coming is because tech enthusiasts everywhere are looking at the code and looking at the information, and some people have a little bit of inside information from Microsoft. We know 21H2 is going to be a big update. 21H1 is going to be, we weren't even sure, and sometimes we're not even sure it's going to happen, but there are hints here and there that, a little small update is going to be there. But why can't the Windows team just come out and say, so here is what we predict will be the changes and what's coming up? And you know what? This would be really nice. Not only because we would know in advance a little more about what's coming, but think of all the companies, all the tech, the IT guys that need to know in advance a lot of stuff in order to be able to, react to new features or changes coming, especially in the enterprise where this is a big problem and changes are big problems. It's kind of weird. And it makes you, think about how this would really, really be fun. And not just that, there's no shame in just saying, because they do change their minds a lot on the Windows side. There are features that insiders have been testing that have been removed and are not going to happen. So, of course, there are some of these features that maybe they're not sure. But I would rather have, this is what we plan, and they update it from time to time saying, okay, so, well, this feature we talked about, finally we're not going to have it, implemented or anything. Almost all the time when somebody asks about the timeline, about features, about stuff for the future of Windows, they never have any comments. They never have anything to say. And I think that is much more of a problem than anything else. They should be more open. And I think this would benefit Windows also, would benefit the Windows team. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.